In order to practice the lessons in this course, you would need access to an interactive brokers account. So if you already have an account, you can skip this lesson. But if you don't, you can follow along in this lesson and create a demo account. So run your TWS application. Make sure that you select this SSL option and then click on this paper trading button and then click on this return to the demo option over here. Here you can enter your personal or official email address. I'll enter mine. And then you can select whether you want to be contacted by interactive brokers about features, products, and offers. I'll click no. Click on this try demo, and this will log you into your TWS demo account.